Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your first time of coming. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you will be the first one to know about it. So real quick, I'm giving you guys another update that will pay you while you are at home or in your office or anywhere. So this update, you need a paid VPN or a proxy. Make sure it's strong and make sure you do your IP analysis. If you don't know how to do your IP analysis, there's a video on this my channel on how you can do your IP analysis. And secondly, you need a UK number. We are just dealing on UK for this particular update. You need a UK number, and this is how. Let me just run through how the app is and what you'll be doing here. So on this app, you don't need a paper account. No, this one is just gift card. So on this app, when you first register, the registration is very simple. So we are both mature, so it's very hard, it's very easy for you people to pass through the registration. So when you get to the interface of this app, you will see this dashboard, but your own will not be like this. They will tell you to complete your profile. So my profile is complete, that's why you're seeing this point here. When you complete your, you will have exactly as this point is on my own, you will have it on your own. So you complete the survey that is there. Make sure you complete everything. Then when you are done, this place you can also, if you have a TV or a music box, you can be playing music and put this thing close to it. Allow, make sure you allow notification, make sure you allow your audio, make sure you allow it. Then you put this your phone close to that box. When the thing is playing, your points will be adding. Then second way for you to earn here, you'll be doing survey. Make sure you attend to all the survey on this app. Don't skip anyone. If you see any notification for survey, please kindly rush there and go and do the survey. Then the second part, you can see if you can refer, you refer. It is not, referral is not compulsory. It is not compulsory. You can refer, you refer. If you cannot refer, do the survey, do the tax and earn points. So this is the interface. This is just it. Then you come here, you see the home, the give your opinion. If you want to give your opinion, maybe there is a survey for you to do, you can just come here and attend to it. You attend to it, then after attending to it, they will credit you. And make sure that anything you are doing it right. Don't make mistake, please don't make mistake. Then you come here, give your opinion, you give your opinion. Chat box, you can come here, you chat. Then if you want to see the payment option, many of you will say, you can see it. You see Amazon, it's everything will display. You see Amazon gift cards, £10. Say you want to collect pounds now. This is another way to carry pounds. So all those people that like pounds something, this is exactly another one. So when your own will not show like this, so it will be showing 9,000 something. Then when you are answering survey, it will be reducing. When this thing reduces to the end, it's not showing 0. You cannot purchase this gift card. Note, if this thing does not reduce to 0, you cannot purchase any gift card though. Don't go to my dear and start saying, I have the 1,000. It must reduce. My own, when I started, it was 9,000 something. You see, it has reduced to 7,1. So if I do tax and do it to 0, so this is how this interface looks. You see, we have Amazon Amazon £10 gift card here, and you see other gift card here. You see them, there are different type of gift card here. There's Apple card, £5. You want to go for Apple card, it's usually they used to buy Apple card, babe. They used to buy Apple card. You see it, they buy this one too. So if you have it, you can DM me or my husband to redeem it for you. Then if you don't go for Amazon £10, go for Apple £5. Then you see this thing that is there. This thing, it will go to the end. It will not be showing 0. 0/10,000 before you will be able to buy the card though. If it's still showing like this, don't try it. It will not work. Let me click it and show you people. You see it. What are they telling me? You need 7,100 naira point to buy. I don't have enough point to buy. If I have that point now, I'll be able to buy. It's not that I'll just come here and press buy. So you go back. This is just it. This is it. This is it. Then you click on this other part to take you to your profile. See accounts. You will see your account here. You see your account here. You see it. You see your account about household and all. You see it there. Please make sure you do the survey that you see. The first survey you see, make sure you do it. Please make sure you do it. Complete the survey. Make sure they are giving you this 2009 points. Then you will now be looking for extra points for you to place your first withdrawal. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. Those of you watching my videos, you don't like, please always like it and comment, so that it will be pushing it. YouTube will be pushing it to other people. They will see it too. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.